Hey there, thanks for checking out this demo of my recipe box, a Ruby on Rails application with a few JavaScript features. Lets users create an account or log in with their Facebook and save information about different recipes that they like. So a user could create an account by providing a name, an email, and a password. They could log in if they already had created an account on the website, or they could log in with Facebook. And let's wait a second. Well, there we go. I'm logged in with Facebook now. Alrighty, so this is my show page. It has recent makings by any user over here, recent recipes that any user has saved, and the recipes that I most recently made and saved some notes about. We could look at all the recipes any user has made. So here's this whole list of all the recipes saved in our database, in my recipe boxes database. We can sort them from the newest ones that have been made to the oldest, from the oldest to the newest. We can sort them by average rating. So say the one with the highest rating to the worst, worst to the best. Or lastly, we could filter by ingredient. So let's say I have some snow peas in my fridge that I really want to use. Filter. Perfect. There's our recipe with snow peas in it. And each of these is a link to that recipe show page where we could get more details. All right, so let's say we don't want to look at all the recipes. I just want to see the ones that I have saved. We can go to your recipes. Again, each of these is a link, so we could go check them out. And let's say I have a new recipe that I really like and I want to save. Hit save a recipe. We get this form. Let's create a recipe. Let's call it berry cake. Berry cake. Okay, berry cake is flour, sugar, some butter, maybe an egg, and then I want some kind of berry. Oh, goodness, no, there is not a berry ingredient. So let's save what we have. So we'll say 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar. Let's go with 4 tablespoons butter and 2 eggs. We're going to say mix, bake for 25 minutes at 375, and we'll create this recipe. Wonderful. So we can see 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, all of our ingredients, our instructions. No one's made berry cake yet, so it's not listed, and we could, let's save a making now. Let's say, I know berry cake is great. I made it, that's why I'm saving it here, and I want to say it's awesome. There we go. Let's create that making, and it pops up. Maybe I make it again, and it didn't turn out so great this time, so we'll say it's a 3. Not as great. There we go, we get that one. We could just keep adding all the different times we made it if we wanted to. We could edit the recipe if we felt like it, give it a new ingredient. Let's say we actually think this needs 3 eggs, so we'll update that. There we go, now we got 3 eggs. Alrighty, so berries weren't in our ingredients list, so we can click on all the ingredients, see them 5 at a time and click through. Sure enough, no berries. That's a problem. So let's save a new ingredient. Let's say we need berries. We'll say the serving size for berries is 1 cup. Create the ingredient. There we go, berries. Now let's update berry cake. Edit recipe. And there we go, we've got berries and we can use them. So let's say we had a cup of berries to our cake, update recipe. There we go, now we've got berries. Wonderful. We can check out this list of all of the different makings that any user has recorded. So get everybody's notes, everybody's ratings. Or we can check out just my individual makings, what I've made, how I noted notes that I had on stuff. And lastly, if I wanted to, I can record a making over here instead of on its that recipe's show page. So let's say, let's stick with berry cake. Let's say we made berry cake. It went pretty well this time. Pretty good. Create that making. Here's our that making show page. Let's get back to berry cake's page. And oh, sure enough, we have all 3 makings in here. That's the gist, guys. That's how my recipe box works. Thanks for checking it out.